The Greater Portmore Police and Major Investigation Division are to question the suspected serial rapist who was captured last night in Portmore, St. Catherine. The suspect has been linked to more than a dozen rape attacks in several communities. TVJ's Anthony Lugg reports.
News broke that a manhunt was on the way for a serial rapist in Portmore, St. Catherine. Communities have been on edge. Over the last few weeks, investigators have been combing through CCTV footage trying to identify this man, who they say broke into several houses, held at least 12 women at knife point and raped them. But on Friday evening, the residents breathed a sigh of relief after the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit confirmed that the man was arrested. Today, head of the St. Catherine South Police Division Senior Superintendent Clive Blair and his investigators provided an update.
Yesterday we had a series of analytical meetings that we analyzed all the information we had gotten from all the sources across Portmore and elsewhere. And we had narrowed down our investigation then to a premises in the Congreve Park area of Portmore. A police team would have gone there late evening, early night last night, where this person was held. He was taken into custody pending further investigations.
Investigators are now awaiting the results of DNA tests. While they do that, anyone who may have information to assist the investigations is being asked to contact the Portmore Police Headquarters. The suspected serial rapist is now behind bars. However, some residents are asking if there could be another.
Based on the investigation, we believe is one individual is carrying out these acts of rape.
In the meantime, Member of Parliament for St. Catherine South Fitzjackson is also relieved that a man suspected to be the serial rapist is in police custody. Mr. Jackson says he hopes the suspect is the person responsible.
And I would want for the process through the courts to be swift and justice be swift. I regret the distress of the many persons in Portmore who felt more vulnerable than ever before to be exposed to this savage experience. Security matters have been a concern for a while, but this episode where over 12 women have been reported as being molested or attacked by this person is really a bit too much.
Me again once reassure the people of the communities of Portmore that we are doing our utmost best in this investigation, that we can bring the individual to books in relation to the crimes of rape that were committed in this space.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.